So now 15 years later, after we began this journey, I'm back behind the camera to go into some more detail on some of the aspects of these repairs that people have been struggling with. Okay, thanks for stopping by. I created this washer repair kit for front load washing machines similar to those you see behind me almost 15 years ago. And I did it because I was frustrated when my machine failed and the manufacturers and no appliance repair shops would sell the parts. Since that time, I've helped tens of thousands of people through the repair kits that I put together repair machines just like this, saving an estimated $14 million in repair costs by doing the repairs themselves, which is very easy to do, and I walk you through it step by step in the videos, or about $65 million in replacement costs. The manufacturers absolutely hate me. I started this industry, other people have followed me. I designed my own kits, I designed my own seals, and actually even upgraded the seals to a better seal than anything that any manufacturer is using. And so I've been doing this for a long time. It's incredibly satisfying for me, not just because we were able to save people a lot of money, but even more so, I love working with my hands. I get a lot of satisfaction out of it. And knowing that the knowledge that I have that I put into these videos is helping other people to overcome their fears, save money, and to feel the satisfaction of being able to fix something is amazing. I sleep better at night if I have an opportunity to fix something every day. I know that it was 15 years ago when we started this because my oldest son was 9 years old at the time, and he was the one that was holding the video camera. Back then it was called a camcorder, and we had a lot of fun with that, and we never knew that it was going to take off as it has, impacting so many people. We have over 3 million views on our videos, and really just kind of started an industry, a repair industry here, that not only saves people money, but also gives them a chance to feel the satisfaction of being able to fix something. And I hope that that translates into not just stopping at, repairing what is really a fairly simple machine, which is your washing machine, but it can be intimidating, I get that. But allowing you to expand to be able to repair other things that maybe are a bit more complicated, or maybe just to tackle things that you fear or that otherwise you wouldn't have done. So I know I've gotten a lot of satisfaction throughout my life on repairing things and helping other people. And so I want to be able to pass that on to you. So it means a lot to me. So now 15 years later, after we began this journey, I'm back behind the camera to go into some more detail on some of the aspects of these repairs that people have been struggling with. Thank you.